The complete Java programmer, from scratch to advance. Description: learn all the fundamental and advanced concepts, files, data structures of Java using real-world examples. Requirements: no, designed for beginners as well as for those who have prior knowledge in programming. HTML5 Basics to Advance. Description: a beginner's guide for HTML5. Learn all concepts of HTML5, from basic to advance, with hands-on assignments and projects. Requirements: none. This course is for absolute beginners. CSS Basics to Advance. Description: complete guide to create beautiful, responsive and user-friendly websites using CSS3. Learn CSS3 with hands-on projects. Requirements: basic understanding of HTML5. The complete 2020 Philippine Pesos Full Stack Web Developer Bootcamp. Description: learn to build websites with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, MySQL, WordPress, and more. Requirements: no pre-knowledge is required, interest is all you need. A PC or Mac is required. Fiverr Freelancing 2020. Sell Fiverr gigs like the top 1%. Description: Fiverr Freelancing for beginners. How top Fiverr sellers boost freelancing earnings by 1000% from each Fiverr sale. Requirements: have some freelancing skills that you would like to promote on Fiverr. Step-by-step guide for JavaScript, Basics to Advance. Description: a beginner's guide to learn JavaScript programming right from scratch to the advanced concepts along with jQuery. Requirements: a basic understanding of HTML and CSS. Win top-paying copywriting jobs with my copywriting secrets. Description: learn how to successfully apply for high-paying copywriting jobs and keep the contracts going for years. Requirements: good understanding of the English language. Some writing experience. Python for beginners. Learn all the basics of Python. Description: learn how to program in Python, Python functions, Python basic apps, Python tips and tricks, other Python features. Requirements: having a computer. Wanting to learn programming in Python. No experience required. Dropshipping with WordPress. Create a dropship business fast. Description: using WordPress to set up huge e-commerce stores quickly and easily. Requirements: understanding of what dropshipping is. Know what WordPress is. AWS Services for Solutions Architect Associates. Description: the best guide for various AWS certifications such as AWS Solutions Architect, AWS SysOps and AWS Developer Associates. Requirements: basic knowledge of Linux commands. Common IT knowledge.